Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Fred here. It is the 2023 kickoff for camping this year. It is Memorial Day weekend and we are out at Rocky Fork Ranch Resort in Kimbolton, one of our favorites, in a pretty good spot here. It's going to be a fun weekend. The weather's going to be beautiful all weekend. And since it is Memorial Day weekend, my thoughts are out to all of the fallen soldiers, men and women that have defended this wonderful country. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like I said, lots packed this weekend. We're going to be doing, well, Danielle's 15 now, so we can't do kid craft, which has always been a favorite of ours. So they have teen craft for her now. So we're going to go do that. A couple other activities around camp. There's going to be some karaoke, which Danielle loves to sing. We're going to do that. And let's see what else. Horse riding. I don't know if we'll do that, but horse riding for Teen and Danielle. Let's try to look at the activity list. And those are the main ones that stuck out to me. So let's go ahead and enjoy a wonderful weekend. I got camp set up. I'm going to flip around here and do a little shot of camp. And we'll go from there. All right, let's flip it around. Look, they hung chairs over here. That wasn't there last time.
Yeah, get away from me, bud.
Is it a dedication or something?
Nope.
No, just chair.
Just chair.
All right. There's one fish over here. Nope. Can't see.
There it is.
Right there. Oh, look at that groundhog. Oh, he's right there.
Where?
Well, groundhog.
Oh, that's cool. That's what I heard.
I remember that hole last time. Huh.
Is that like a well?
Probably was. Or something like that. Oh, there he is. Huh.
I'm gonna walk up to the lighthouse.
Go back up.
Yeah.
It was definitely trimmed last time we were here, huh?
Yeah.
Look how high the weeds are.
How?
This camera won't even see you. All right, we got some awesome ribs on the grill. Let's take a look and see how they're doing. These have been on for 2 hours. Smoke setting. Oh, those look amazing. About ready to wrap them. Using some of my favorite meat church gospel. That stuff's good. All right, gonna be a great dinner. We are walking down by the chapel. Danielle decided to go check out the little amphitheater. Couldn't wait to go over there. So let's go check that out. I must have got here early for the concert. I got front row seats. How do we like that? Danny Elise in concert today. Out here at Rocky Fork. I don't know what song she's going to sing today, but we're kind of out here on our own.
This is so cool. This is awesome.
It's a pretty cool little building.
I wonder how old it is.
I don't know. Look at a bird nest. Nothing there. And it just has all their equipment. That's cool. Over here's this little chapel we were talking about.
There it is.
Yeah. I didn't know there's swings down here. We've never been down here.
Oh,
Little dog park.
that's cute. We should take the dogs out there sometime.
Little chapel. Nothing going on today. I'm guessing it's locked.
Yeah, probably.
Probably can't go in and say a prayer. Oh yeah, this looks like a little church inside. Take a peek. Pews and very nice.
Wow. That's nice.
Yeah.
Huh.
We'll have to come down here when there's one of their services.
That's cool.
All right. Well, obviously plenty of water. Should be good water pressure.
That's a really cool. I like it. This one.
Getting our exercise in. Sunday night. Got a nice fire going tonight. It's a beautiful evening here. I'm really liking this. It just takes a while to get them going. It's putting off some nice heat. Kind of mesmerizing if you look at it closely. Weather was nice today. Kind of cloudy. Camp is still full. A couple people have pulled out. Met some wonderful neighbors over here. Tina and Danielle went up swimming. First time they went up this trip. Alright, we are closing up here. Had a great weekend, Memorial Day weekend, 2023. Everything is 90% ready to go. So if you're still sticking around, thanks for stopping by on this great adventure. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.